to turn on or turn off Autofill Suggestion Selected Sound effect when voiceover is on. In iPhone 14 Pro, open settings and then scroll down the screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility and then tap voiceover, select audio and then tap sounds and haptics. Scroll down sounds and haptics screen, find Autofill Suggestion Selected. Next, tap Autofill Suggestion Selected and then on sound, tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until green to turn off. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until green to turn off Autofill Suggestion Selected Sound effect when voiceover is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.